Hello, everyone, and welcome. My family and I used to think that stability meant moving somewhere permanently, finding that one place to be our forever home. However, somewhere along the way, I realized stability isn't a location, it's a state of mind. Yes, I still dream of a cottage tucked away in the countryside, a tiny house of my own, or even perhaps a villa in Tuscany, and one day I'll have it. However, even then, I know I'll still feel the intensely strong desire to travel. Because travel was never just something I loved. It's something I've always needed. Even though we face hard times while traveling, and problems that would have never arisen back in our home country, back in a permanent place. The positives have always outweighed the negatives. In fact, this last time we tried settling in the States, living a mundane, day-to-day life felt soul-crushing. I had become used to constant activity and experiencing new things. I feel more stable and at peace now, traveling again, than I ever did settling back. I've discovered traveling doesn't unsettle me, it steadies me. And again, back to my main point. Stability, I've learned, isn't found, it's created. It's how you arrive somewhere new and make it yours, even if it's only for a short while. Hi everyone, and good morning. We are about to go get breakfast. Hoya is by far one of the most beautiful places I've ever been to. It is the perfect blend of nature and activity. Well, almost perfect. I must confess, it is quite crowded at this time of year. In one moment, I was in Da Nang, and before I knew it, I had just looked away for a moment and found myself right in the bustling old town of Hoya. And this is by far the most foreigners I've seen anywhere. The most beautiful part of all is the rice fields, or more commonly called the rice paddies. Our villa has been such a dream, truly one of our favorite stays.
We made it. Here's the house tour.
And one of the things that's made it so wonderful is our hosts. Our hosts have gone above and beyond, putting so much thought, not just into the space, but into our experience here. After our last place, and for the same price no less, this feels like pure luxury. There's a full kitchen, a microwave, which feels like such a luxury item at this point. And there's even, wait for it, a washer and a dryer. Now we can finally have clean clothes. And it's the details and the people behind them that make this place feel like home. Even though we're just here for a short while. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you can continue following along on all our adventures. And I'd love to hear from you. Do you love traveling as well? And where is your favorite place you've been to? I would really love to know, and I enjoy reading all of your comments. Wishing you the loveliest day. With love, Malia.